ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Hi students, today we discuss the topic locus. First year 1B topic locus. In IPE point of view, exam point of view, the weightage is 4 marks question. You will get one 4 marks question in board examination, intermediate board examination. The topic is very simple topic and also easy topic based on only distance formulas. Locus. That is in coordinate geometry topic. That is topic is in 1B. 1B means first year we are having two papers, 1A and 1B. This is 1B topic, locus. Locus means what? It is a set of points which is satisfying the given conditions, given geometrical conditions or well-defined properties. Locus means it is a set of points. For example, see here, this is one fixed point, the point is C. For example, myself, I am a fixed point. So, student, stand at a distance of 5 units from me. One student, stand at a distance of 5 units from myself, from me. I am the fixed person, I am here, I don't move. Now, you are the student, you stand at a distance of 5 units from me. What is your place? So, this is at a distance of 5 units, you can stand here, or here, or here, or here, or here, or here. That means what? Just like, so here, just like a circle. So, I am the fixed person, the person is here, he is a student, the point is the student. Stand at a distance of 5 units from C, means distance is 5 units, or distance is 5 units, or distance is 5 units. Distance is 5 units. That means what? So, the locus is nothing but a circle. Locus is nothing but a circle. The locus of the point P is a circle. That is called locus. The set of all points. Points means, so this is the point, this is the point. These are all the points. Sir, why you are taking the point is here? I am taking here, I am taking here, taking here, taking here. But what is your condition? Your condition is what? Stand at a distance of 5 units. So, the person says, I am standing here, sir. I am standing here, sir. I am standing here, sir. Or to this side. This side. That means what? The locus is completely, this is the locus and its name is a circle. The locus is a circle. And also, one more thing. So, this is the point A, this is the point B, two fixed points. Two fixed points. This is first person and second person. Okay. So, that point is A, that point is B, or a moving point, moving person. The locus of the point which are equidistant to the A and B. A and B. So, the point is A, the point is B. Locate the points which are equidistant to the points A and B. So, this is suppose 5 units, 5 units. Suppose the point is 6 units, 6 units. So, these are all the points. So, distance is 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10 equal distance. That means what? The set of all points. This is nothing but a locus. Here, the locus is a straight line. Locus is a straight line which is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector of AB. Here, the locus is a circle. Here, the locus is a straight line. In other way, the locus sometimes it may be another curve. So, this is called a locus. Write down definition is the set of all points the set of all points which satisfy the given geometrical conditions or properties is called a locus. Is called a locus. Set of all points which satisfy the given geometrical conditions or properties is called a circle. Is called a locus. First point, the set of points in a plane which are at a constant distance call it R, from a fixed point is a locus. From a fixed point, call it C, is a locus. And the locus is a circle. Locus is a circle. The locus is a circle. The set of points in a plane which are at a constant distance R from a fixed point C is a locus. The locus is a circle. So distance is CP is equal to what? Distance is R. Therefore the locus of the point P is, so these are all the points. So the locus is a circle. Next, second example is the set of points in a plane which are equidistant from two given points A and B is a locus. The set of points in a plane which are equidistant to the points A and B is a locus. And the locus is perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector of AB. That means what? The point is P. Distance of 5 units. Or here the point is 6 are the points. These are all the points. By joining all these points, you get a straight line, and this straight line is the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A and B. Write down problem number 1. That is exercise problems. First one, find the equation of locus of the point which is at a distance of 5 units. 5 units from the point -2, 3. Find the equation of locus of a point which is at a distance of 5 units from the point -2, 3. So the point is called A. A is -2, 3, which is at a distance of, find the locus of the point. Let the point is, I am taking the point is x1, y1. Locus of the point which is at a distance of 5 units. What is the locus of the point? Why you are taking the x point is P here? Why don't you take here? That means what? The locus this is. That means what? The locus of the point P is what? This is a, just like a, that is a circle. Now this one, let P x1, let P x1, y1. P x and y1 be a point on the locus. Always take the point is x1, y1, and A is equal to fixed point is, call it -2, 3, and given, what is given? AP is equal to 5. Locus of the point I am taking the point is P x1, y1, which is at the distance of 5 units from the point. I call it the point, I can call it, the name is A, 2, 3, -2, 3. What is AP square is equal to 25. Distance between the points x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 25. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. So this is what? x1 minus of minus plus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square is equal to 25. This is just like a minus b whole square form. A square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x1 into 2 plus y square, y1 square plus 3 square minus 2ab, 2 into y1 into 3 is equal to 25. So x1 square plus 4 plus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 minus 6y1, you take this side, minus 25 is equal to 0. So this is x1 square plus y1 square plus 4x1 minus 6y1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 13 minus 25, that is minus 12 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Here, see here, alpha comma beta are roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the meaning? Implies A alpha square plus B alpha plus C is equal to 0. That means alpha and beta and also A beta square plus B beta plus C equal to 0. That is, if A alpha square plus B alpha plus C equal to 0 means if A alpha square plus B alpha plus C equal to 0, that means what? That means alpha lies on ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means alpha is a root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Like this, here ax1 plus by1 plus c equal to 0. That implies what? Implies that is x1 comma y1 lies on ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Like this, x1 comma y1 lies on x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. That is the meaning. That is simply, okay. Therefore, the equation of therefore the locus of the point x1 comma y1 is, locus is simply x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, in place of x1 comma y1, what is x1 y1? x1 comma y1 lies on the circle, and its equation is this one, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Right. In general, for next onwards, simply you can take the point px comma y be a point on the locus. It is enough. Right. Next problem, find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the points A minus 2 comma 3, B is 1 comma minus 2. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the points. Now, let px comma y, in general you can take the point x comma y. No need to take always x and y1. Let Px comma y be a point. Be a point on the locus. What is the condition? Locus of a point which is equal distance to the points A and B. That is what is given. Given PA is equal to PB. Equal distance. The point is A, the point is B. You can take the point is B. This is point is P. PA is equal to PB. PA square equal to PB square. PA square x1 by 1, x2 by 2. So x minus of minus plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to, this is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus of minus plus 2 whole square. Just expand and write the answer. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 2 plus a square plus b square 2 into y into 6 is equal to x square plus 1 minus 2 into x into 1 plus y square plus 4 2 into y into 2. A square plus b square plus 2ab or a square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus, this is a 12y. Sorry, this is a 3 only, plus 6y. 6y is equal to x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 plus 4y. Y square cancel, x square cancel. Now this is 4x minus 6y plus 13 is equal to minus 2x plus 4y plus 5 plus 5. Now you take this side, that is 4x minus 6y plus 13, take that side, plus 2x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. That is 6x minus 10y, and it is plus 8 is equal to 0. If you take 2 is taking common, 2 common, 3x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. That is 3x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0 is the equation of locus. Equation of locus of the point P. Write down. Next problem, just you try these problems. Find the equation of locus of point which is equidistant from the points. First one, -3, 2, 0, 4. Second problem, a minus b, comma b minus a. Third problem, -1, -2, -3, 4. Fourth one, a plus b, comma a minus b and a minus b, comma a plus b. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the points. Same process. Let Px, y be a point on the locus. Call it A, B. Pa is equal to Pb. Pa square equal to Pb square only by using the distance formula. Distance formula. You are applying distance form. Okay. You solve. You try these 4 problems. Next problem. The ends of the endpoints, the ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 6, 0 and 0, 6. Then find the locus of third vertex. Then find the locus of third vertex. Third vertex. The point is A, 6, 0. Point is B, 0, 6. Are the ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Then you have to find the locus of third vertex. Let the point is P, x, y be the third vertex. So this is 90 degrees. Because this is the hypotenuse. The triangle is right angle triangle. Let P, x, y be a point. Be a point on the locus. Now, what is the given? The triangle is right angle triangle. Right angle at the point P. Now, PA square plus PB square is equal to AB square. These are the, call it A, call it B. These are the end points of the hypotenuse. X, y be the third locus, be the third vertex. X, y be the third vertex, of course, that is the locus or third vertex. X, y be the third vertex. Now, right angle triangle PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. Where A is what? Let the coordinates of A. 6, 0, B coordinates 0, 6. PA square x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1, x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. And PB square, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to AB square, distance between the points. So x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is x square plus 6 square minus 2 into x into 6 plus y minus 0 means y square plus x square plus y square plus 6 square 2 into y into 6 is equal to, this is minus 6 whole square 36, 6 whole square 36. So x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square plus x square plus y square plus 36 minus 12y is equal to 72. 36 plus 36. Now this is x square plus y square, x square 2x square plus y square 2y square minus 12x, only minus 12x. This is minus 12y, and also 36 plus 36. So this is 72 plus 72 is equal to 72. 72, take this side, that gets cancelled. Therefore, if you take 2 is taken common, totally x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0. 2 becomes the dirt. Therefore, the locus is equation of locus. Locus is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y equal to 0. That is equation of locus. Right on. So I will give you 2 problems, similar model, just to try these 2 sums. The ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 4, 0 and 0, 4. Then find the locus of third vertex. And the second one, the ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 2, 3 and minus 1, 5. Then find the locus of third vertex. Same process. Solve these 2 problems. Okay, thank you.